Hello everyone. So in this video, I will show you how to create a Android application using Laravel and NativePHP. So you do not need Flutter, you do not need React Native. So what if I told you you can build a Android app using just Laravel? By the end of this video, I will show you a complete running Android application which is built in Laravel and NativePHP. So first question in your mind, what is NativePHP? So NativePHP allow you to use Laravel to build desktop and now mobile apps also. So instead of learning a new framework, you can reuse your Laravel knowledge to create a Android and iOS application also. So for the more information, so let's go in our browser. You need to search native PHP. This is the official site of native PHP. So just click on this. You can see bring your PHP and Laravel skill to the world of desktop and mobile app. So you can create a desktop application also and a mobile application also. So you can see gallery, camera, biometric, push notification, and this all the flashlight, secure storage, location service. So everything is there. So just click on this build mobile. Okay, so this is our introduction page. So as you can see, you can create this application in Laravel, no web server required. It's also a cross platform. So build app for iOS and Android also for a single code base. Okay, normally you are going to create a application. So Android application is in Java or Kotlin, and if you are going for iOS, so it's in Swift. But this DTPS solve this problem. You can write the same code for Android also and iOS also. So in Laravel, you can create the both application, and this application will run on both device like Android and iOS. Okay, so this is the official page of native PHP, and you can see the documentation. So first of all, before creating the application, you need to check your environment also. So you can click on this environment setup. See, in your local system, you need PHP 8.3 plus and Laravel 11 plus. Okay, so first of all, you need to check this. So just go. I'm going to create my project inside this folder. So first of all, we need to check PHP version, PHP hyphen version. So you can see my current PHP version is 8.3.30. It's matching the requirement 8.3. Don't worry about the this version. If you are going to create this in your old project, then you need to check. But if you are going to create a new project, so it will default pick the latest version. So latest currently Laravel 13 is there. So in my case, everything is perfect to install our native PHP first mobile application. So next start our installation process. So click on quick start. So in this page, all the steps are there. So first of all, create a Laravel project. Okay, so just go in CMD, the normal command which we are normally use to install a Laravel application. So composer, create project and Laravel slash Laravel, and then the name will be mobile app. Okay, so you can write here anything, mobile app, first app, anything, whatever you want. So let's hit the enter. Sorry, some problem. So I think a spelling mistake is there. Create project Laravel mobile app. So create a spelling is wrong. So now hit the enter. So you can see Laravel application is installing. So it will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes. So you can see Laravel installation is completed. So everything, all the packages and migration, everything is done. So now I'm just going to move inside this folder, clear all this. We are inside our Laravel project. So now install this native PHP mobile application. So run this command inside your Laravel project. So now you can see everything is going to install inside this, all the packages which is required for native PHP mobile application. Okay, we have successfully installed the native PHP mobile. So now we need to PHP native jump also. So in your mobile application also, you need to install this jump application in your mobile also. But let me install this inside our project. So you can see jump server is going to install. So this is asking for Android and iOS, which option you want. So just enter if you want to create the application in Android or iOS. I am going to install Android application. Okay. So now hit the enter. Now it's copying the file inside this jump server. So you can see after the installation, QR code scanner is open. So next step is you need to install in your mobile application jump also. That open that application in your mobile and just scan this, and that will be installed in your mobile application. So for this, so as you can see, this is my mobile application. So here we need to install vprost jump. You need to write this and you need to install this application in your mobile. So you can see in my mobile screen. So it's installing in my mobile application. So now I am going to open this application. Okay. And now I'm going to scan this, and you can see the application is started downloading in my mobile application. So now you can see our Laravel application first starting page is visible in my mobile application. So we have successfully created the application, a first application, and installed in my mobile also. So now if I am going to change anything, like this is our whatever the screen you are going to see in this mobile device, it is coming from resources folder inside the view. This is our welcome.blade.php. Remove all these things and write first mobile app. Okay, and inside the body also just remove this. Okay, and again write body ending and closing, and inside this h1 tag h1. Okay, so just simple write this first or mobile app. Okay, and add the alignment center also, align center. Okay, so now I have removed the by default Laravel starting page, and only this text is there, mobile app, and also margin top equal to 50%. Okay, so now I think it will be in mid of the screen. Okay, so now let's again run this command, native jump. So Android. So now you can see our native PHP jump server is started, and it will open the QR code for this mobile application. Whatever we have done the changes. So previously it was just a starting Laravel page, but we have removed everything and just written this simple code, mobile app. Okay. So now scan this code. So I am going to share my mobile screen also. So you can see, open this jump application and then scan this. Okay. So you can see the app is downloading. When the application will open, so it will, you can see mobile app. Okay, so mobile app is there. Whatever we have written here in this code, it is going to reflect in this application. So if you want to change anything else, suppose inside this h1 tag, just write hello. Okay, remove this. Okay, it will be h2 tag. So the changes, whatever we are going to do, so it will reflect in our current mobile application. We need to start this native jump. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, the scanner is open. So now I'm going to show you my mobile screen. So you can see this is my jam application which we have installed earlier, and now again I'm going to scan this scanner. So now you can see the mobile app hello is there. So whatever we have done the changes in our welcome.blade.php. So this changes is reflecting. So in the coming videos, we will do everything. We will create APK file also. We will create menu bar, search button, login, register and everything. So don't miss that video also and stay connected. So if this video is helpful for you, so please like this video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get latest updated video from my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.